Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using the Hippo Happiness bundle, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Hippo Happiness bundle, and we're going to be using Fluttering By Just to Say Hi, and the butterfly. So I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I have a piece of the silver foil sheet. And then a piece of the Whisper White. And this is retiring, but they are bringing in a basic white. And then I have the dies, the coordinating dies. So run that through. All right, let me scoot this to the side real quick. I have a piece of the Magenta Madness, and I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. And I have our stamp mounted on clear block A. So just like that, we're going to put this back through. So I have our little coordinating die for the butterfly. All right, so just like that. And then I'm going to come in with the brick and mortar. And then I have a piece of Magenta Madness, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to put it in sideways. So just like that. Oops, I forgot my plate for the dynamic. Let's put that down. And then get number 4. Sorry about that. Alright, so now we have this. Isn't that so cute together? Let's put this aside. Next, I'm going to come in with the black glittered ribbon. And I'm just going to put a piece down with a piece of tape here. So just like that, I'm going to take my ribbon scissors and cut that off. And now we can do some stamping. I have our sentiment mounted on clear block B. And I think I'm going to use the Magenta Madness. So we'll ink that up. And then I'm just going to put it right here at the bottom. Just like that. All right, that's all the stamping we are doing, so we can start putting this card together. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal. And we're just going to put that right here in the center. And then I'm going to take our matte piece here and put some adhesive down on all 4 sides. And then our card base is basic black, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to put it down here, just like that. Excuse me. I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Make sure I'm doing that right. All right, so I'm going to put that in the center, and then I'm going to pop up our little butterfly as well. Just like that. And then for our final touches, we're going to come in with the enamel dots. I think I'm going to place one there, there, and right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple hello card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!